Life is Fair by Kunwar Viyogi. Love Sonnet. My love for you is undemanding, simple, and you are hidden in me as desire. And when you smile, your deeply etched dimple starts in me a leaping, flaming fire. Your love is simple, undemanding too, like the liquid murmur of the river, on which you ply the lover's sleek canoe, and like the river is abundant giver. Enough is what we give and what we get. Of what we give and get, we are fond. No hopeless hopes we cherish or abet. No reaching for impossible beyond. And as you comb and braid your lovely hair, I look at you and feel that life is fair. Thank you.